What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I have a different type of bonus video for you guys today. You guys know I try to bring you like all different types of new auction sites, different areas where you can, pick up cars. We talked about cars and bids here recently. Some of you guys are going to know about this site that I'm showing you guys today, and some of you guys aren't. And for those of you that aren't, this video is for you. Let's go check out bringatrailer.com and see if they have anything interesting. Alright guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage. In today's video, I'm showing you guys bringatrailer.com. Now, this is a different type of auction site, obviously. We're looking at a Lamborghini Diablo here, but there's different types of vehicles that are available. From cheap to expensive, something that's more my speed would be something like this M6. Look at this, 1988 BMW M6. Royal blue with the white Napa leather. Spent 27 years with its owner. Comes with a 3.5 liter inline six with a 5-speed manual. This E24 M6 has 54,000 miles. It's offered in New Jersey. Man, manufacturer's literature, factory toolkit, service records, clean Carfax. Like, man, that is a beautiful ass car. I'm gonna put a star on that one. Look at this, 67 Oldsmobile Cutlass. They got the Ford GT, obviously. These Wagoneers have been bringing stupid money, man. Stupid money. But we can get over here and look at some of the different vehicles. I can literally just click on an image, and it will take me to whatever I'm looking at, like this one right here. This one is at $34,500. And I'm downloading this image. I am so into this one right here. 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Man. Oh man, it's with a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed manual transmission. That right there. I'm sorry. That just right there, that thing's a beast, man. That shit right there is a beast. I don't know, man. That's a beast right there. Oh. That thing is just cold, man. Now, the reason I'm showing you guys this as like a bonus video today is because I wanted to show you guys different stuff. I've had people saying, well, what if I don't want to buy something from the salvage auction and I want to buy something that's already done, right? Or put together. Like, for example, this 1995 BMW M3. No, I'm good, man. I don't need no text messages. I'm straight. Look at this M3, man. Look how clean that sucker is, man. Woo! Look at that, man. Oof. Alright. It's in Houston, Texas. That's a win. 72,000 miles. 17-inch Apex wheels, heated Vader seats, oof. Cooling system refresh kit included. Window sticker, service records, private party or dealer. Private party, E36 M3. I mean, it's a very clean M3, man. And look at them Vader seats, man. They're clean. Oh, that thing, and that comes up in 15 hours. This is a manual. I mean, it's a beast. Now, here's the thing: is an old M3 like this, like I'm gonna tell you right now, like a food stamp Charger would beat the brakes off this car. Racing, but it's for its time. Like, this car had stupid power, man, and it's still a very fun car to drive. I'm just gonna be honest. BMW Z8. That's what this is. Anytime you guys see me turn on my scan tool, this shows up. These were super rare. They still are super rare. And this one's probably gonna sell for a ton of money. What's the auction at on it? It's at $240,000. You see what I'm saying? This is a BMW. $250,000 BMW. Wow. Just crazy, man. So clean, man. So clean. But that just gives you an example of some of the stuff that's out. I mean, there's so many different cars you can pick on. Like, look at this Toyota, right? This is what I'm saying. Like, there's everything on here. 17,000 mile 2001 Toyota MR2. Look at that. Man. And just to have all that stuff in there is kind of cool, man. It is kind of cool. Got the old Camaro. Oh, a Z3. Look at that, man. 1998 BMW M Roadster. It's the M too. It's not even. They don't even call this one the Z. The M Roadster. Oh man. It's in Austin, Texas. It's got 19,000 miles. Oh man, that quad tip exhaust. That thing is nasty, man. That thing is nasty. Look how clean that car is, man. Damn. But this is a prime example. I mean, this is the kind of stuff you can find on here, man. I mean, it's a very, very clean car. So they have a little bit of everything, man. From your basic cars to exotics. I mean, you can pretty much find what you want. Look at this. Old school Dodge Ram truck. It's got 37,000 miles. Look how clean that is. Looks like it came straight out the movie Twister, man. Before the tornado damage. But look at that, man. They want 28 grand for it. I bet you they're going to get it too. Wow. That's absolutely ridiculous, man. But this was one of the sites I wanted to show you guys so you guys could get an idea of, you know, what was available. Like if you wanted to bid on something for yourself, you could do it. Like this Ford GT Heritage Edition. That's over $1 million at this point. It's insane. Insane. That's ridiculous. I mean, it just is. That's just ridiculous. The original window sticker. 600. So it's doubled in value. That's insane. So for me, you saw there was a couple interesting ones. You saw I put stars next to a couple different things. But see, even I bring a trailer where it's a sorted car, I'm still not going to overpay for a car. Yes, I know that some of these classic BMWs are now appreciating in value. Why do you think I bought the 740? Yes, I know there's a couple dings and dents and stuff I need to take out. Yes, there's a little bit of rust here on that door or whatever. But once I get that car, once I get that 740i M Sport sorted, yeah, I probably could easily, with its maintenance record, get 15, 20 grand out of that car. That's why I bought it. If you're a BMW guy like me and you know these cars, like frontwards and backs, you grew up around them, you've dealt with them, you've owned them, like the older M3s or, you know, even the E46s, you know, as long as they're not SMGs, you know, there's some deals to be had, and these vehicles are doing this. They're going up in value. But there's, like I said, there was everything in there from a Toyota MR2 to Lambos to a Ford GT. This is the one thing for you guys that are like, I can't deal with the salvage stuff. I don't want to deal with that. I just want to buy a car sorted. That's different. I want to be different. I don't want to drive what everybody else has on the street. That site right there, Bring a Trailer, is a solid site. Full disclosure, not sponsored. They didn't ask me to do a video on them. None of that. It's just something I'm showing you guys a different avenue and some different type of cars. Because, look, man, buying stuff from the salvage auction or buying stuff from like Ritchie Brothers or Joyride or any other sites that I mention or I work with. It ain't for everybody, and that's why I wanted to bring this to you guys so you guys can see it. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys on the next one.